Hello students, welcome back to my channel. So today we will start chapter 2 polynomials exercise 2.2 question number 2. So what does the question says? Find a quadratic polynomial each with the given numbers as the sum and product of its zeros respectively. So let's get started. So our first part is 1 by 4 comma 1. So as we know the formulas of sums and zeros, that sum of zeros is equals to alpha plus beta, and product of zeros is equals to alpha into beta. So here let us consider 1 by 4 as alpha plus beta and 1 as alpha into beta. So here we are having minus 1. Now we can write the quadratic polynomial as x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta is equals to 0. So let us do this. Here x square will come as it is minus, what is alpha plus beta here? 1 by 4. So we can write here 1 by 4 into x plus what is alpha and alpha beta here? Minus 1. So we can write it minus 1 is equals to 0. So now we will multiply this 4 by x square and minus 1. So what will be the output? If we will multiply this 4 with x square, so it will consider as 4x square. Now minus, here what is remaining? Only 1 and into x. So it can be written as minus 1x. And here plus minus is minus, so we can write it minus 1. So the quadratic polynomial that is required is 4x square minus x minus 1. Now we are having second part, under root 2 comma 1 by 3. So we can write sum of zeros is equals to alpha plus beta, and we can also consider alpha plus beta as under root 2. Now we will write product of zeros. So product of zeros can be written as alpha into beta. So now we will consider alpha into beta as 1 by 3. Now what we will have to do is just write it here, under root 2 is equals to alpha plus beta, and 1 by 3 is equals to alpha into beta. Now we can consider a quadratic polynomial as x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta is equals to 0. Now put the values. X square minus alpha plus beta is under root 2, so we can write here under root 2 into x plus alpha into beta. So here 1 by 3 is alpha into beta, so we can write it like this. Okay, now this 3 will multiply with x square and under root 2. So how can we write this? If this 3 will be multiplied with x square, so we can write it 3x square. Now minus, so as we know that any number cannot get directly multiplied by under root 2 with under root, so we can write it as 3 under root 2 x. Now what is remaining here? 1. So we can write it plus 1. So the quadratic polynomial that is required is 3x square minus 3 under root 2 x plus 1. Now the third part is 0 comma under root 5. So we can write sum of zeros means that alpha plus beta, and here product of zeros which can be written as alpha into beta. Now let us consider 0 as the sum of zeros alpha plus beta, and let us consider root 5 as product of zeros, that is alpha into beta. So we can write here that alpha plus beta is equals to 0 and alpha into beta is equals to under root 5. Now the quadratic polynomial that we can assume is x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta is equals to 0. So here x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta is equals to 0. Now put the values x square minus alpha plus beta. What we are having as alpha plus beta? 0. So we can put 0 here into x plus alpha into beta. So what is alpha into beta? Under root 5. So we can write it as under root 5. Now see, x square minus, if 0 will get multiplied with x, so the answer will be 0, and here plus under root 5. So we can write it as x square plus under root 5.